and welcome to my crystal hunting tips and tricks video. Today I am just going over some basic tips that I utilize when I am crystal hunting. Tip number 1, look for running water. Running water means it's likely that rocks are being broken down. On that note, check your geography. Depending on where you live, it can really impact the type of crystals you find. If you utilize mndotorg, an online mineral database, you can easily find crystal localities near you. It is a great resource that I use all the time. My next tip for crystal hunting is to look really close to the shorelines, just to the small little details to see what you can find. Anything that catches your eye is probably something worth looking at. However, keep in mind that you don't know the true color of the stone unless it's wet, because that will be the color if it is tumbled. However, there are many crystals that look amazing raw, and actually better in my opinion than tumbled. Next, when looking for crystals, look for translucency. Basically, this just shows us is that there is a presence of a crystalline atomic structure. Although, keep in mind that is not always the case. Although, this rock, as you can see in the video, is a perfect example of translucency. My final tip is going to be to move some things around. Essentially, instead of just looking with your eyes, make sure you're also moving around individual rocks and pieces to make sure that you're seeing absolutely everything.